Back into Karen Reed's trial this afternoon. Crowds waiting outside, then cheering so loud you could hear them in the courtroom. Reed was found not guilty of murder in her boyfriend's death and guilty on the lesser charge of drunk driving. WAT legal analyst Greg Isaacs joins us right now. Greg, we were on WAT 6 Plus talking about this trial when all of this happened. But first, let's get everybody caught up. Two different sides here as far as this story coming in as far as this trial was concerned.
Bo, this was a retrial of a high-profile case that presented jurors in Massachusetts with two very distinct theories. Prosecution says that an intoxicated Karen Reed, after arguing with her Boston police officer boyfriend, ran him over in a driveway, leaving him in the snow to die. Conversely, defense theory, the house that they were visited was full of police officer friends of the boyfriend, and the lead detective, Trooper Proctor, was biased, covered up the investigation, and actually the boyfriend had been killed inside a crime scene staged in the driveway. And those were the two choices presented to the jury. Was Karen Reed guilty of second-degree murder, or was she the victim of a law enforcement conspiracy? And
we should point out again, this was the second trial. The first one ended in a mistrial. And then we get to today. The jury had been deliberating for about 4 days. This was day 4. And what a final, we'll just say the last 10 minutes of that deliberation today.
Legally bizarre. Yeah. John Grisham could not have written a novel that was any more exciting. We're live on the air talking about the jurors' questions, speculating that they may be trying to gravitate toward the lesser offense of OUI, which is the equivalent of driving under the influence in Tennessee. And lo and behold, we get a verdict.
Right.
And then so a juror actually knocked on the door, told the bailiff, here's our verdict form. They start to give the verdict form to the judge. They take it back.
Right.
And then
you're like going, what in the world's going on at this
point? Then it's like the world hit pause.
Right.
So no one knows what's happening in the courtroom. Bo, in over 3 decades of legal practice, I've never seen anyone snatch a jury verdict form back from a judge before it could be read in the record. So the judge...
but then a few minutes later...
instructed them to keep going.
Yeah.
A few minutes later, everybody's talking about appeals, what's going to happen. And the verdict form was placed under seal. But then they had a verdict for a second time.
Right.
And wow, when the verdict was read, not guilty of first-degree murder, not guilty of leaving the scene, guilty of the misdemeanor offense of OUI, given 1 year's probation, the courtroom erupted, court observers outside erupted. But what a dramatic day in a courtroom in Massachusetts.
It really was. They'll be talking about this one for a while, I'm sure. Greg, as always, thank you.
Good to be here, Bo.